Yes.
Yesterday, I have started the topic section formula. In section formula, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Section formula. You can also learn this formula such as it is your point. Yesterday I have derived the formula of section formula. That is your A x1 y1. This is your B x2 y, and it is a point P. That is your x1 P x1. Now we will divide the PXY, point PXY, divide the line segment AB in the ratio of M1 ratio M2. M1 ratio M2.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now M1 is multiplied to this side and M2 is multiplied to this side. And we will find out the coordinate of PXY. You can learn such as PXY. Now PXY. First of all, we will find out the coordinate of X. X. M1 X2 M1 X2 M2 X1 plus M1 plus M2. Any doubt? अब M1 की डायरेक्शन क्या है? कहाँ पे है? X2 Y2 पे. M1 Y2, M2 is coming towards X1 and Y1. M2 Y1. M1 plus M. In the formula to find the coordinate of P point, please divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio of M1 ratio M2. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Clear? The point is clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes. Today there are 3 periods in 10th class. I will take 3 periods in 10th class today. That is first period, fourth period, and 7th period. So I want to tell you that please join the class, first period, fourth period, and 7th period. If you will not join this class, you will not understand the remaining questions. So try to left the data and yes, first, fourth, and 7th. Now next one is that is your P. Sorry, that is A. That is your A point, whose coordinate are x1, y1. That is your B point, whose coordinate are x2, y2. And this is your point P, xy. Point P, xy, divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio of k ratio 1. K ratio 1. In place of m1 ratio m2, point P, xy, divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio of k ratio 1. So k will multiply to this side and 1 will multiply to this side. Now the coordinate of point Pxy. Pxy. P.
kx2 plus x2
Kx2 plus 1 into x1. K into x2 plus 1 into x1. K plus 1.
1 into x1 upon 2
K into y2. 1 into y1.
yes sir 1
K
into
plus
y1 upon k plus 1
K plus 1. Now the coordinate of point Pxy. Kx2 x1 k plus 1. This is your ky2 plus y1 k plus 1. Any doubt, any problems?
no sir
Now your next is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. Have you done?
yes sir
Okay.
yes
Okay.
yes sir
Yes. Now, third one is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. This is a point A, x1, y1. This is another point B, x2, y2. And this is your point P, xy. Point P, xy, divide the line segment in the ratio of 1:1. Why? Because P is the midpoint of AB. P, xy is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint, it means AP, distance of AP is equal to distance of BB. This is the equal distance. Because P is the midpoint of AB. Because P is the midpoint of AB. So the coordinate of Pxy. Coordinate of Pxy. P. That is 1 into, and this will become this side. 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 plus a 1. 1 plus 1. And your next is 1 into y2, 1 into y1, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Now it becomes Pxy. It becomes x2 plus x1. May I write it x1 plus x2?
1
2. And it becomes y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Any problem?
no sir
Yes. If P is the midpoint of line segment AB, then your formula will becomes P x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Any doubt, any problems?
no sir
Do it fast. Do it fast.
done
किसी भी स्टूडेंट को कोई डाउट है पूछ सकते हैं. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन आस्क मी. Have you done?
Yes.
Exercise 7.2. Question number 1. "41 students present in the class." 43. 44.
Sir, board is not visible.
She is here.
The visitor.
Now exercise 7.2. Find the coordinate of point which divide the join of -1, 7, 4, -3 in the ratio of 2:3. The point is A. A is -1, 7. A is -1, 7. B is 4, -3.
4 minus 3.
Yes, 4, -3. And a point P XY. PXY. Divide the line segment. Find the coordinate of point. Find the coordinate of point. एक point है. We have to find out the coordinate which divide the point -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio of 2:3. 2:3. That is your M1. That is your M2. This is your X1. This is your Y1. This is your X2. And this is your Y2. Okay? Yes. Now the coordinate of point P, X, Y are as. The coordinate of point P, X, Y is
2 raised to 3.
yes. Now P, X, Y. P M1 X2 M2 Y1 M2 X1 sorry M1 X2 M2 Y1 M2 X1
X1 होगा.
M2 X1 प्लस M1 प्लस M2. सिमिलरली अब क्या है यहाँ पे Y आएगा M1 Y2 प्लस M2 Y1 M1 प्लस M2. Okay. Now
Yes,
PXY.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What is M1? 2. What is X2?
M1 is
M1 is 2. X2 is 4. M2 is 3. X1 is
minus 1.
-1 plus M1 plus M2 2 plus 3 2 plus 3
2 plus 5.
yes. M1 is 2. Y2 is
Minus 3.
-3.
Minus
M2 is 3. Y1 7.
Y1 is less.
7.
M1 plus M2. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3.
2 plus 3.
Pxy. 2 into 4. 8.
8.
Minus 3 divided by 5. That is 2 into minus 6. Minus 3. Minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5. Now find coordinate of point Pxy. 5 by 5.
P up. 12 plus 5. 1.
15 by 5. Yes. 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5 हर चीज. Now what is the coordinate of point Pxy? Please check the answer.
1.
Find the coordinate of point of trisection. Trisection means
Equal parts.
bisect means
Divided into equal parts.
bisect means a point which divide the line segment into two equal parts. Trisection means a point which is 2 points.
Divide into three equal halves.
3 equal parts. Now this is your line segment, that is your A, and coordinate of A are given as 4 comma minus 1, and coordinate of point B minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3, and now this point and this point. If we trisection, we will take 2 points. If we bisect, we will take 1 point. If divide into 4 equal parts, we will take 3 points. That is your P coordinate of point this, that is your xy, and this will be your q x1 by 5. या x3 y3 कर दो इसको, x3 y3 x3 y3, क्योंकि x1 y1 हम इसको लेंगे यहाँ पे. ओके,
4 minus 2.
यहाँ पे x2 लेंगे, यहाँ पे क्या है y2 लेंगे. Any doubt, any problems? x3 y2. Now please tell me the coordinate of point ratio जो point P है with respect to AB, इसके जो रेशियो होंगे वो क्या होंगे?
1 is 2, sir. 1 is 2.
देखो,
1:2.
listen. ये पोर्शन, ये इसके इक्वल है और ये इसके, all are equals. Main point is this and main point is this. All, that is AP, PQ and QB are equals. It is 1, 1 and 1. Equal. This is your one part, and from PQ and QB there are two parts. So coordinate, so the ratio ratio of point P with respect to AB is 1:2. 1:2. Any doubt, any problems?
1:2, sir. No, sir.
1:2.
No.
1:2 कैसे आया बताइए. Who will tell? Please switch on camera. Switch on camera. Switch on your camera.
Switch on the last.
Switch on your camera. Pragati, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Please take the screenshot of these attendees. Take the screenshot of these attendees and please send it to me. Take the long screenshot. Long screenshot.
Okay, sir, I am doing.
Take the long screenshot of these attendees to me and send it to me. Yes, Ansika Bhatt, why the ratio of now question number 2. I have taken a point, that is your point A. A is your 4 minus 1
4,
and your B is minus 2 minus 1. That is your P xy, that is your Q x3 y3, and is your x1, it is your y1, it is your x2, it is your y2. The point Pxy, the point Pxy divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio of 1:2. Now this is your point A and coordinate of A is your 4, minus 1, that is your point B, and coordinate of B are minus 2, minus 3. This is your point P xy, and point P xy divide the line segment in the ratio of 1:2. 1:2. Okay, that is your M1 ratio M2. This is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, and this is your y2. Now Pxy. Okay, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Yes, M1 y2, M2 y1, M1 plus M2.
Upon M1 plus M2.
Yes. Now Pxy What is M1? M1 is 1. X2 is -2. M2 is 2. X1 is 4. M1, that is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Yes. What is M1? M1 is 1. What is Y2? Y2 is -3. M2 is 2. And your Y1 is -1. M1 plus M2, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. The coordinate of point PXY. It is your -2 plus 6 divided by 3. That is your -3 minus 2 divided by 3. The coordinate of
So that
point
is
P.
2 to the
Sir, 2 into 4, 8.
Okay, 8. That is your 6 by 3 and it is -5 by 3. 3 to the 6 PXY. That is your 2 comma -5 by 3.
equals to 2 comma minus 5 by 3.
Yes. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Now this point Q. This point Q, divide the line segment in the ratio of
2:1.
2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1. This is one part, this is your second part, and this is also one part. 2 ratio 1. Point Q x3 y3, divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio of 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1.
Okay.
Have you done?
Yes,
Done? Now, this is your point A. A is 4 comma -1. That is your B point. B is -2 -3. That is your Q point. X3 by 3. And the ratio will be 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1. Okay? That is this side and
Yes, sir.
this becomes this side. It is your x1, y1, it is your m1, it is your m2, it is your x2, it is your y2. Now the coordinate of point Q. Q is x3 y3 and Q, that is your m1, x2, m2, x1, m1 plus m2. This is your m1, y2, m2, y1, m1 plus m2. Now we have to find out the coordinate of point Q. That is your x3, y3. What is your m1? M1 is 2.
2.
What is your x2?
2.
X2 is -2.
-2.
M1 is, M2 is 1.
Minus
X1 is 4.
4.
M1 is 2 plus 1. What is your M1? 2. What is your Y2? -3. What is your M2? M2 is 1. Y1 is -1. What is your m1 plus m2? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1.
2 plus
Yes. Now the coordinate of point Q, that is your x3, x3 by 3. Q, that is your minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, and it becomes minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Now the point of Q, that is your x3 y 3. Q minus 4 plus 4, 0 divided by minus 7 by 3, and it becomes Q x3
and x3
y
by
3.
3 will become q bracket 0 comma minus 7 by 3.
Yeah. Any doubt, any problems?